Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you through creating custom surveys and forms for your website in Go HighLevel. But before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description box to access Go HighLevel. Now, let's get started. First things first, sign up or log into your HighLevel account. Once we're there, navigate to the Sites section. Here, you'll find options for creating forms or surveys. Click on Survey to proceed. Within the Survey Builder, you can either start from scratch or choose from pre-made templates. If you opt to start from scratch, click on Add Survey and wait for the builder to load. Once loaded, you can begin adding elements to your survey by clicking on the plus sign. Start by adding basic fields like first name, last name, and email. You can rearrange the order of fields to your preference. Additionally, you can add images, custom fields, or even a signature field to your survey. Once you're satisfied with the survey design, click Save. Now, you can integrate this survey into your website or funnel. If you're working with a funnel, navigate to the funnel editor and select the page where you want to add the survey. In the settings, you can add the survey as a pop-up or directly embed it into the page. That's it. You've successfully created a custom survey for your website in Go HighLevel. With this similar method, you can also create forms for your website or funnel. Don't forget to click the link in the description box to try Go HighLevel. Thank you for watching.